lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome, and if today is your first time coming across this great channel, you are highly well appreciated. So guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you how I make my fried beans. Yes, I'll be making fried beans today. If you are new to this channel and today is your first time, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers, thank you all so much for always tuning in. May the Lord God bless you. If you have been watching, you have not yet subscribed, go and subscribe. Yes, go and subscribe. You will never regret it. Thank you so much, guys. So without taking much time, so you guys, I have some recipe of beans in my channel already. I have corn with beans recipe. I have rice and beans recipe. So, and today is the May beans recipe. Like, I'm going to be making just beans, fried beans, and fried plantain. Yes, everything is going to be fried. Yes, so guys, my beans have been parboiled and I have washed it. I always parboil my beans 5 minutes before washing. Yes, if you want to see how I do that and how I normally cook my beans, you can just go and check out some beans recipe on my channel, or I will still be dropping those links on description box, and it will still be pumping on top of this video. So check it out and see how I cook my beans so easy. So this time, you know, there is no more sun, there is no more bright weather. You are going to be managing my video quality because I'm just using what I have, and I will pour in my beans right now. You can see I have boiled and washed it. So instead of using potash, you can just use these onions. It will make it so perfect and cook so quick. So I just slice from the onions. I will be putting it now. This beans is much. I don't normally cook beans always, but anytime I want to make, I always make it like, if it's too much, I can also put it with that as well. But I love beans anyway. I can use agidi. I used to make my agidi myself. If you want to know how I achieve my agidi as well, just check out my channel. You are going to see how I make my agidi with some corn flour that I bought in supermarket here. That is how I do my things. Don't go anywhere. So guys, let's go ahead and introduce the ingredients. First of all, I have my bunch of plantain. I have my bunch of plantain. Can you see? I'm not going to be using everything. I think I will use 1, 2, 3. I have 6 here. I will use, let me say 5. I will use 4 of it. I will make 4 and leave 2. And this is my melusa. I will be using melusa for this recipe. I'm still rocking my melusa. I'm still rocking it. And I have my seafood. I don't know what they call it in English, but we do call it surimi here. Surimi. So this is it. I love it, and if you have not tried it, just go and try it. You will like it. I have my dry pepper. I just put this here in case of scarcity, because I normally have my Scotch bonnet pepper. I have 1. So if maybe it's not enough, I know beans don't really need pepper, but let me just, I think I'm going to skip that part of that dry pepper. Yes, I have my crayfish. I have my onions, which I slice 1 part of it into these beans already. And you know, beans don't really need so much ingredients. I will be using just these two ingredients are oregano leaf and black pepper. This is the two ingredients I will be using for these beans. Beans don't really need too much ingredients. Salt, this is my salt, and my 1 Maggi cube. I am going to be using vegetable oil for these beans. Vegetable oil. I'm not going to use normal red oil because this week I make a ogbolo soup, and that video will be coming up. I have not uploaded ogbolo soup in my channel. I decided to just make one, and that video will be coming up after this video or before this video. Anything red oil. This I will be using this multi tomato. Yes, I will be using multi tomato. So these are the few ingredients. I really want to use for these beans. I don't really want too much ingredients in these beans. Just easy cook and simple. Stay tuned to this video as we wait for the beans to cook. So guys, the beans is cooked already. Oh my god, can you see? And this is the few ingredients that I am going to be using. Let's continue with the beans. I have fried the plantain and the fish off camera already. You guys know how to fry plantain, and you also know how to fry this melusa, and I just did the recipe of how to fry a melusa with the vegetable stew. You can go and check out the video as well. So this is it. So this is my plantain and my melusa. I nearly finished the melusa when frying it anyway. So this is it. Oh my god. The design, you like better thing. I don't like better thing. So guys, this is it. I'll continue with the beans. If you notice, I always slice this my onions like those days now. That other shape of onions. I'm not too good in other shape. I always slice this exactly this shape. So I'll add my tomatoes. This will be the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Share it if you can. And if you have been watching, you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. You will never regret it. See you in my next video. Guys, I'm so tired, so I just have to end the video like this. I'm just tired. So let me end the video like this.